Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup, so if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video we are gonna talk about some fails, so if you're curious about that, please keep on watching. So if you are gonna ask, what are those weird dots on her face? The answer is freckles. I hoped that doing some freckles, maybe I will distract your attention from this ugly guy here, but now the freckles are very ugly, so it is a good distraction. I don't think so. Anyway, I didn't film this eye look, but I will list down below everything that I have on my face as usual. I did use the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde, and I have actually one of these fails on my eyes. Let's get started with these fails. I have 8 products in here, some hair care products, some skincare, and some makeup as well. And yeah, so let's start with the first one. The first one is the Maybelline Tattoo Brow 36-hour pencil. Who is wearing brows for 36 hours? Please don't sleep with your makeup on, even though this pencil is kind of recommending that with this 36 hours. Anyway, as you can see, this pencil is finished. I did use it up. I can't sharpen it anymore. I did use it up just because I don't like wasting products if I can use them, but I used this one up very fast actually, because the problem with this one is that it is too creamy. It's very smeary, and if you try to blend it out, it just disappears. So yeah, I don't really like it. Like I said, I did use it up very fast. The only thing that I like about this product is this pulley. For some reason, this pulley is really great, but like I said, if you try to blend this out, it will disappear, and then you need to apply more and more, and it looks patchy and ugly. So a very creamy formula. I don't really like it. The next product is the NYX White Liquid Liner, and this one is pretty old as well. I did use it like 2 times, and I had it for about 2 years. On the hand, you can create a line, but on the eyes, it looks very skippy and patchy, and I don't know, it emphasizes any texture that you have on your eyelids, and I don't like it. It's really weird. I was hoping to use it someday, so that's the reason I kept it in my collection, but I will declutter this one. Don't buy this one, it's not good quality. The next product is the Essence Ginseng Lip Oil, and if you saw my video with the Battle of the Juicy Lips, I keep mentioning that video and the Battle of the Cream Blushes just because I'm pretty proud of that videos. I did work pretty hard on them. This is horrible. This smells so nasty. I hate the smell. I despise the smell. The product itself, pretty decent, but I can't use it. The smell is disgusting. So I don't know what Essence wanted to do with this smell and ginseng, the ginseng part, but oh god, it smells horrible. So this is a big fail in my opinion. I would prefer this product to not smell like anything, but it's disgusting. I will declutter it. I hate it. It is drugstore, but no, it's horrible. For the next one is more of a preference, and is the Nars Orgasm lipstick, and I love the packaging. I love everything about how this looks and everything, but this color is so ugly. I don't know, it is an orange, so it's already a poppy color, and then it has some shimmer in it. It looks so ugly on the lips. I don't know what to say. I really don't like it on the lips. Like I said, the packaging is nice. If you like shimmery lipsticks, you may like this one. I know that is a popular shade and everything, but it's not for me. I didn't break my low buy to purchase this one. I got it from a friend, but I will just pass it along to another friend, and I hope maybe they will like it, but it's not for me. The next product is the one that I have on my eyes. I have just a tiny bit of it. And this is the Danessa Myricks Infinite Chrome Flakes, and I have the shade Lighting Bold. This product looks very beautiful in here, but it's so expensive. It's like $28 for this thing, and I don't know, I don't really like it. And today I just put this purple shimmer on the lid and then another shimmer on top, and then I put just a tiny bit of this product, and with that small amount, and it still disrupted my other shimmers underneath. So I don't know, if you put this one all over the lid on its own without a primer even, maybe it could be okay, but it will be so patchy and all over the place. You may have a bit of product on this spot and that spot empty and so on. So just, I don't know. I will maybe take this product with me when I'm going to the beach. Maybe it would be fun just to have brows and this product all over the lid. And yeah, that could be fun, I think. I am quite disappointed with this product, and I feel like if this was maybe $10 or $15, but still, I don't think I would recommend it even at that price, but it's not worth it. I don't think it's that special. So I don't recommend this product, but I will keep it in my collection because I already paid for it. So at least I will maybe try to add here and there just a bit of product, and for that it's decent, but yeah, don't recommend this one. I have 3 products more. 2 are dry shampoos and 1 is skincare item. I have these 2 dry shampoos. I am quite disappointed on both. This first one is the Garnier Fructis Invisible Dry Shampoo, and this is pretty affordable, but still I am right here, and I think I used this one like 6 times or something like that, and I could apply just less product, but I feel like it does nothing, and using that much product and it still does nothing. It is a spray, which I think it's weird for this kind of product. It's not an aerosol product, and I just don't like it, and I don't recommend it. Even though it's drugstore, I don't think it's a good product. Another one is the IGK Direct Flight, and this says in here that is a medium cleanse level texturizing volumizing style extender. I feel like this wants to be everything and it does nothing. This product I feel like is for people without oily hair, which is kind of stupid in my opinion, because it's a dry shampoo, and dry shampoo in general I feel like it's made for people with oilier hair. But yeah, this is not a medium cleanse. I do have pretty oily hair, but this is for non-greasy hair. Maybe on the first day of washing your hair, after just blow drying your hair, you can apply this one just for a bit of volume. But yeah, I'm quite disappointed. This is pretty expensive. So yeah, I prefer other products for that step. So I don't recommend this product for people with oily hair. If you don't have oily hair at all, this could be okay, but yeah, I don't like this one. And the next product in here is the LYS Beauty Deep Hydration Face Cream, and this is the packaging. I got this one from the same friend that actually gave me the Nars lipstick. She gave me this one just to try it out because she didn't like it, and I hate it. This is how it looks on my hand in here. I feel like this product is very greasy, so it takes a very long time to sink into the skin, and it smells weird. I don't know how to describe this scent. It feels like, I don't know, old creams or something like that. I don't know. I really don't like this smell. The only good thing about this product is the packaging, because I really like this pump thing that is going up, so you can very easily see where you are, and that is great for project painting as well. But I will declutter this one. I don't know if someone will like it because it is pretty greasy, and this smell very unpleasant, really. Skincare should be a relaxing part of the day, but with this one I feel like I was punishing myself, so I really don't like this product. Okay, so this was the video with the fails. I will keep only these 3 products and I will declutter the other ones. I feel like the dry shampoos and this thing I still can use, but they are not the best. And yeah, so if you like the video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.